One of the processes that we undertake when restoring a steam locomotive is extensive thickness testing, mainly on our pressure vessels and on our substantial steel plates. One of those substantial steel plates is the smokebox, and 520 smokebox was originally a cylinder of 3/8 plate or 9.5 millimeters with an insert piece of 5/8 plate or 16 millimeters in the bottom. The thickness testing on 520 smokebox has revealed some spots that are down to around 3 millimeters, and that takes it out of the window of serviceability, so it will need to be replaced. The process to replace the smokebox, once the boiler is lifted off the frames, is to remove these 64 rivets that are around the ring here and remove the smokebox, then bringing in a brand new cylinder of 10 millimeter plate, fitting it to the ring, drilling holes, reaming them and re-riveting to the ring, followed by adding all of the extra fixtures to the smokebox before it is ready for service again.